갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네. 너 때문에 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah.
Okay. Today's video, guys, we're going to, where's that?
Waukegan, Illinois.
Yeah, for my fingerprints. Finally, for after 1 year.
Almost exactly 1 year, huh? January 30th. It's almost your anniversary.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, babe. 10 more days is your anniversary.
Yeah, together with my mama and papa's anniversary. Wedding anniversary.
Oh my gosh. Glad I didn't forget that day.
And that is my 1 year anniversary here in US. So that is really exciting.
It's kind of cool, huh?
Yep. I'm
1 year.
excited.
I can't believe it's already been 1 year. Jeez.
Yeah, I thought I'm already 5 years here in US. That's what I feel.
Yeah. Today, hopefully, your interview
What?
to get your fingerprints today.
Yeah.
And hopefully, get your interview soon. So,
I hope so. I keep praying that every day. So I can start.
move on with life and get going. Do what you want to do.
Yeah. Start driving. No, it's not start driving. Start learning driving.
Yeah, gotta learn first. I don't know if we're gonna put you through Drive Right. It's a driving training school.
I don't know. Maybe yeah, the first, then second you're gonna teach me.
Well, when you do driving training school or driver training school,
Yeah.
from what I remember when I went to class, is they had a brake pedal on the passenger seat. So the instructor, if he thought you were doing something crazy,
Yeah.
you could hit the brake and stop the car.
So they have 2 brakes.
Yep.
That's good.
That would make me feel safer.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna learn first in the school and then you're the one who guide me after that.
Yeah. Might be a good idea. So you can at least get an idea of how to drive.
Yeah. Going to Chicago. Johnson Road. It's very nice day today, guys. Look at that. The sun is up.
It's a beautiful, fairly clear sky.
Yeah, the sky is very clear and very nice. Oh, one more truck. It's really beautiful day, but it's so cold. That's why I'm wearing gloves.
Temperature is 14 degrees.
So just in case, look at that. It's like water.
Nobody's walked out there, nothing. It's just
Look at that. It's so beautiful. All white.
a sheet of snow.
Feels like a super scary word. Am I allowed to be successful? What does successful actually mean? Is this okay?
Yeah, it should be.
We're here now. Chicago, Milwaukee.
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 Yeah, we're almost 2.1 miles away.
Chicago, Milwaukee.
Well, Chicago is one city, Milwaukee's the other, and that street will take you to both.
Yeah.
that's me. That's what that's trying to say.
Turn right onto Washington Street, then make a U-turn. Head east on Washington
Pretty sure
Street
this is
toward
it.
North Frolic Avenue. 600
Right here?
feet, turn right onto South Dover Avenue.
Oh, they have a Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts is in the right spot. Application Support
Southwest
Center.
toward Jolly Avenue.
Yeah. So, monkey.
It's not hard to get anybody here. It's a restaurant for itself, I guess. Why not here?
Yeah.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying you have options.
Oh my god. Bukas pati yung mata niya, oh. Takot yung mata. It's beautiful here. We are here in Rainforest. They have monkey, elephant.
Oh, okay.
It's cute. Oh wow. Restroom.
Huh? In the back?
It's beautiful here.
There you go, Ben.
Look at the monkey. Hi, monkey. Oh, look at the elephant.
Look at the lion.
So guys, we are here in
Rainforest Cafe.
Rainforest Cafe. Look at the elephant. Oh. And,
He's our dinner partner.
huh?
He's our dinner partner today. That's the Topak mom yelling at the babies while he's
They're both moving.
no,
And look at the tiger there. And they have a tiger also here. It's beautiful here, guys. Look at the tiger. Beautiful. Yung mga unggoy, oh. Thunderstorm? Gutom na yung elephant.
Oh, you're on live?
Yeah.
Hey, the little one does move.
Oh, the monkey there is moving.
I love this place.
Maybe I can buck it like this. Can you try it? It's in the Zoom.
I'm not sure.
Rice is live. See? Correct, rice. No meal on the rice.
There we go.
Recommend.
You're being watched.
You can put the CCTV here.
In the eyeballs?
Yeah, in the eyeballs. Some people they do that.
Yeah.
Oh, this is cute.
You're gonna put your mask on something over yet, don't you? Sequence though.
Huh?
Sequence.
Mahal na mga paninda dito. Oh, look at the snake. Wild snake. Mother monkey.
It's a video, babe.
You don't like it? She said no. And do you think people will be your best friend?
Where's your smile? Did it get lost in Waukegan? Where's it at?